My name is Grover Welch, and this is my screen recording for the assignment that is due on January 18th, 2026. Looking at the book and watching the videos this week, I've been proud of myself, but I am definitely not a math person. But I hope, and that this will definitely work in my favor. That I have worked in SPSS some at work and as in my last classes, previous classes, and I've been around in education long enough. There's always somebody that needs you to learn how to do something. So here's what I did was I opened my statewide school data that was shared in the module one assignment right here, statewide school district data.save. So I went to file, I went to open, and then I navigated to where I had saved the data in my folders. And I looked at the views. I had the overview, variable view. When I went to the variable view, I was able to see how each of the how the data was ordered and what each one was. I was able to see, what type of scale it was, if it was scale, nominal. But then this is where I paid attention is right here. You wanted to know uh, the average mean enrollment. And see, I see right here it says enroll. So then I go to my data view and I highlighted my enroll column. Then I went to my analyze and descriptive statistics. And then I went to descriptives. Once I opened descriptives, I had to select my row again. And so I selected enrollment and hit my button here to bring it over to this column. And then I hit options. And in options, I have the option to click mean, the standard deviation, the minimum and the maximum, and the range. And when I go over here and I look and I show mean, right? Enrollment for all districts in the state, the smallest enrollment, which would be my minimum, largest enrollment, which would be my maximum, the range I have selected right here is going to tell me my range, and the standard deviation. And in display order, I put in the variable list and I just hit continue. And then I'm going to hit OK. And up will pop my descriptive statistics for this row of enrollment. So my descriptive statistics are my N is 235. That's 235 districts. Range is 21,676. Minimum was 286. My maximum was 21,962. My mean was 1956.31. And my standard deviation was 3,013.41. And that's my total for the uh, descriptive statistics. And I go over here and I look and right. So I made sure I had my enrollment. I had my mean right there, 1956. Okay, so that's my middle. And then my low was 286. My largest enrollment, 21,962. And the range, 21,676. And the standard deviation, 3,013.341. Now, I balked at that at first, but then I went back and kind of looked at some of the notes I had taken on standard deviation, and I realized that I think that is correct. Then I also have, you know, I I need help. I'm not a math centric guy, so I bought these quick study guides to help me a little bit too. And in there, it also helped me look up to my descriptive statistics section here, and I was able to look at it and realize that, that it can be large like that. So. Uh, I know these are not on the classroom list, but I would recommend everybody go out and get them because they are very, very helpful when you're working with your note taking and you're trying to keep track of the program and what to do. And then with the videos, it really helped a lot. So this is Grover Welch.